Which city hosted G7 foreign ministers meeting in December 2021? Liverpool. Which of the following Pakistani Test cricketer has been named in FIR of minor girls' mistreatment in Islamabad? Yasir Shah. Which political party has won the most number of seats in the first phase of local government elections held in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in December 2021? JUIF. Liaquat Ali Khan was born in which year? 1895. Which country becomes first European nation to approve cannabis for personal use? Malta. How many disciples of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam assisted him in preaching? 12. Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu married Hazrat Fatima Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha in 624 AD. Why Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam divorced his first wife on the request of his father? She was discourteous. Where is Masjidul Hanif located where almost 70 prophets are buried? Mina. How many times Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam is mentioned in Surah Baqarah? 13. What is the literal meaning of word philosophy? Love of wisdom. Religion Shintoism is followed in which of the following countries? Japan. In which sport do teams compete for the Dunhill Cup? Golf. Adolf Hitler became Chancellor of Germany in 1933. The All India Muslim Ladies Conference was founded in the year 1907. Who is the current Executive Director of United Nations Children's Fund UNICEF? Catherine Gressel. How many Olympic gold medals won by Pakistan hockey team? 3. The third Roundtable Conference was held in London from 17th November 1932 to 24 December 1932. The second Roundtable Conference was held in London from 7 September 1931 to 1 December 1931. The first Roundtable Conference convened from 12 November 1930 to 19th January 1931.